Assalamu alaikum for class. How are you all students? I hope you will be fine. I'm your English teacher Miss Parveen Akhtar, and students, this is the lecture number 9 of your second semester. Students, today we will discuss about a poem. As you know that poem is a form of poetry and our topic is the snare. Students, snare is a trap which is used to catch animals. Okay, and this poem is about a rabbit. So first of all we will discuss about the poet of this poem, who is James Stephens. 1880 to 1950 was an Irish novelist and poet. He was brought up in Dublin, Ireland. After finishing his schooling, he graduated as a solicitor clerk. He produced many retellings of Irish fairy tales and wrote several original novels and books of poems. Students, in this poem he describes how a rabbit gets caught in a snare. The pain and the cries of the rabbit are heard by a child. A snare is a piece of wire formed into a loop. A hunter finds a path going to a rabbit's burrow. He fixes the snare with a stick. When the rabbit runs along the path, it puts its neck through the wire. The loop of wire tightens round the neck of the rabbit. Sometimes it kills it immediately, sometimes it doesn't. The poem is about a child who hears a rabbit crying because its paw is caught in a snare. Have you understood, students? Okay, now we will sing this poem carefully. So open your books, and first of all there are two words to know. First it is aid. Aid means help. Second one is wrinkling. Wrinkling means making lines appear on the face, on the forehead. So let's start singing. I hear a sudden cry of pain. I hear a sudden cry of pain. There is a rabbit in a snare. Now I hear the cry again. Now I hear the cry again, but I can't tell from where. But I can't tell from where. But I can't tell from where. He is calling out for aid. Crying on the frightened air, making everything afraid. Making everything afraid, wrinkling up his little face. And he cries again for aid, and I can't find the place. And I can't find the place where his paw in the snare. Where his paw in the snare. Little one, oh little one, I am searching everywhere. Little one, oh little one, I am searching everywhere. I hope, students, you have enjoyed the singing of this poem and understood the poem. Students, in this poem a rabbit is caught by a snare and a little boy helps the rabbit. So sing this poem carefully. If you have any confusion, you can ask. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.